So, before I get this video started, sorry I didn't post anything last week. Last week when my wife and I got back, she got bronchitis, I got sick. So, I didn't do any videos that week. I was thinking about doing it. I was like, you know what, I'm too sick. I'm just not going to do it. So, I do apologize. Other than that, we're getting ready for our next trip. Trip is to Hawaii. And I will be doing a video when we get ready to leave. Alright, so anyways, sorry to waste all your time. Let's get back to the video. Hope y'all enjoy it. Please give a thumbs up right below. Alright, enjoy this video, y'all. The 5 cheap and easiest mods you can do, which I would say is number 1. The first mod would be like K&N filters, which, you know, for the 370Z, the K&N filters runs about $63. You know, but you have to get 2, so it's like 122. But I heard it, you know, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I heard it actually gives you a little bit like extra 15 horsepower and 6 pounds of torque. That's what I have on my 370Z right now. Alright, and the second thing will be lower springs. Lower springs could run you about $150 to $200, and so if you ever want to mod your car to kind of lower your car, you can do that for cheap instead of buying, you know, the coilovers. Which coilovers, I know they do. I mean, they're pretty well. I hear a lot about them, a lot of great things about them. But if you want to do the first easy and cheap mods you can do for your car, I mean, it just gives it a little bit more, give it stiffer, makes your ride a little bit more stiff. But if you want to do like more right handle anything, I would go with BC coilovers, or just coilovers in general. But cheap and easy mod. If you know how to do it yourself, it's easy. But if you have someone install it, you're paying for labor. Number three would be like, well, it's not really a mod. It's something. Well, it is a mod, but it's not something that it makes, you know, a whole lot of difference in your car. Which you have plastic dip. Plastic dip is very easy to use. It's like beginner level. I mean, you can plastic dip anything in your car, such as your interiors, your rims, you know, your hood, your paint. But you can plastic dip pretty much anything. But I just wouldn't recommend doing it excessively. Doing it excessively is just, it looks horrible. But that's why I'd rather like do like small things as plastic dip. But that's one of the cheap and easy mods you can do. It's only like what, $10 at any local auto store. The fourth mod I will go with is ISR test pipes. The test pipes are, I mean, they run between like, you know, $150, I would say about $200, $250, depending on what you get. Number 5 will be the AAM short tails. So I didn't finish off on the AAM short tails. The short tails that give your car more of an aggressive sound, which it sounds really, really good. I heard so many things about it. It's like $550 for the burnt tips. I just looked online. I think those are like the resonated one. I don't know. So, but they're really good. Check them out. But that's something I would like to install into my 370Z, even though I have the other ones, but I will get that back one to give my car more of the aggressive tone. But so far, that's pretty much everything that's top off my list on the mods that you can do for your car in your 370Z. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up, hit the like button down below, and again, deuces. Take care, y'all.